I'm proud to serve an area with a rich industrial heritage, whether that be steel, coal or manufacturing. This coming weekend, a major piece of that industrial heritage will be unveiled at the grand opening of a restored pit wheel and pony structure at the Point of Ayr Colliery. The site was the last deep mine in North Wales, and whilst the memories live on for those who worked there, the monuments and structure of this pit has faded with its demolition. But now work to transform this key site is well underway. The Point of Ayr Then and Now team, led by passionate chair John Wiltshire, have worked tirelessly to see memories brought back to life with the restoration and return of parts of our industrial past, including an original pit head that now has pride of place on the edge of Funningroyw. The project was awarded over £40,000 from the Heritage Lottery Fund, which has provided the financial support to deliver this ambition. John shared the story of this project here at an event in March, and the following months saw the opening of the Point of Ayr Trail, the first stage of this exciting project. Celebrating our industrial heritage is an important part of understanding and recognising our past, and essential in shaping our future. On Sunday, I have the privilege of officially unveiling the restored pit wheel and pony structure, marking the start of a journey of discovery for many families, local people, and importantly, future generations as part of our history it's brought back home. This will be a special day for the community, the former Point of Ayr workers, their families, and the committed team that have worked to make this happen. It will not only be a proud moment for me as Assembly member for Delyn, but for me personally as my tied uncle and many members of my family worked at the Point of Ayr.